Installing Divi, you go to your account page and you log in. From your members area, you download Divi 5, and this downloads Divi 5 as a zip file that is a theme, not a plugin, but a theme. Click on Download Divi 5. In WordPress, hop on over to the navigation menu on the left, Appearance, and go to Themes. Currently, I have these pre-installed themes, which are all the regular WordPress 2020 something theme. Select Add Theme, Upload Theme, and then choose. My Divi is over here, Divi 5, select Open, and then Install Now. Before I click on Activate, you don't need a license key. You are going to log into your Elegant Themes account, and that will activate this Divi installation for you. Activate. You can use Divi then already upon activation, but for the updates, which come out regularly with great features just around the corner, I'm so worried that many of these features won't be released by the end of these videos, but I think I'll get to cover them in the coming videos as they are released. Your activation will be needed to get those updates. Select Login to activate your license. Same login to your account. Login. And it's simple as that. Now you can have a look at what has changed in the WordPress backend. The sidebar navigation, we have a Divi section now that gives us your dashboard, which we are currently at. There's the migrator I mentioned earlier. If you have previous sites in previous versions of Divi, then you have theme options, theme builder. We'll talk about the theme builder very, very soon. Then we have theme customizer. We're going to talk about that in the next video. Role editor, Divi library, as well as the support center. But here on the dashboard page, you can see there's browse all Divi docs. You can chat with an expert, Divi quick sites if you want to use the pre-made site, even the AI that's included to generate new sites. And here the option to migrate to Divi 5. Here's an overview. Pages built with Divi, 0. Posts built with Divi, 0. Divi theme templates, 0. Of course, this is what we expect. I'll probably mention this a few times in the videos. The direction that Divi 5 is going towards is that you're going to do very little in this area. Once you install Divi, you'll go into the builder and everything will happen inside that environment. Here, the idea for the future is very, very little gets done here.